It is time for the florist contest. So 2 florists are going to create a bouquet in their own unique style with the clematis. Let's have a look. Such lovely colours. Can you tell us a little bit about this bouquet?
Yes, I can. I made this bouquet to represent the wildflower meadows of Ireland. It reminds me of my childhood walking by the hedges and the cliffs in Donegal. And I've used my favourite flower here, the clematis.
Wow, it's absolutely beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Second question, do you think you're going to win?
I absolutely do.
Yeah?
Yes.
Well, we'll see. What a beautiful bouquet. What was your inspiration for this?
My inspiration was the Irish countryside and the landscape, using the mossy textures and the lush green. And then the clematis used almost like a river running through.
Beautiful. And do you think you're gonna win?
I certainly do.
We'll see in a bit.
Hope so.
That was it. 2 florists, 2 very different bouquets. It is time to vote in the poll below, and we will see you next time.